Bitch, you really making noise. I've been out here thugging since a little boy. Packing toys, talking guns. This that shit we do for fun. Run up on the op. I don't hesitate to let it buzz. Get you cut tatted on my body cause I earned it. Lurking all through your streets like it was urgent. It was. I'm trying to leave more motherfuckers slung. I'm a thug. Kick it with me, you might just see some blow. We sending slugs. Fuck the all, stay living on the run. If you beefing with the homies, then you better have a gun. We do the most. All snow, I'm coming for throats. If I catch your ass lacking, I'ma leave your ass soaked in red rum. All up in my fucking mind. Even homies telling me that they can see it in my eyes. I ain't tripping. One thing for sure, I ain't slipping. Up close and personal, so homie, I ain't missing how I do it. Let's say start running, start hunting. Too slow, but some got lucky. I so sliding back to back, trying to get a bust. I'm too turned for my own good. Better do your homework if you doubt me, or come find out. We could shoot it out. I put up to their addies, had them running routes, gun them down. If you fuck with us, I'll get you out the way. Get you Slater, get you blazed like some motherfucking dank. What you think? Stupid ass fools that I wanted to fade. Could've fucked them up, but had enough juvenile hotties. I was with them in the county and the house, I got a shank. I don't really give a fuck. Got a couple broad day, I'm trying to stay alive. Do shit for fun and cause do or die. Down the rock, any fucking time, just know you slip, we slide. Ain't gon' lie when I say that I want more. Told him run that shit and put the straps to it. Don't, I got the richest reason why I'm spitting flows. Like I said some lines before, let homie, I want more hoes, more murder, more dollars. Put my people on. If you run up on us, stupid, leave you bleeding. Homes get them gone. I don't feel a thing. They can rest in peace. None to this shit. I'm a motherfucking lunatic. Trigger happy if you looking for it. You gon' find it. We did many times, but we still out here fucking riding south side. And know we sliding, putting work, and then we smiling. Bitch, you really making noise. I've been out here thugging since a little boy. Packing toys, talking guns. This that shit we do for fun. Run up on the op. I don't hesitate to let it buzz. Get you cut tatted on my body cause I earned it. Lurking all through your streets like it was urgent. Demons in my head making noise, telling me to drill. That's the main reason that I'm still stuck up in the field. Drug deals, trying to get by. I need another lick, more music, anything to go and get fucking rich with the shits. If you fuck with me and the out clip, I let it rip. Too fucking sick, I'm a lunatic. CHR gang, what I claim. Know we do our thing, aiming at your brain and your neck. Where I got the set, gotta represent. Try to disrespect, then you're dead. Fuck the feds and fuck the net. We be popping in the streets, doing fools dirty. Go and ask our bitch ass enemies. They know who did it. We with the business, so we tripping. Why you fool slipping? You know we fucking up the city. It get tricky, it get sticky, so you better keep a blicky. Got a big ass fucking weapon tucked up right under my dickies.